Hello everybody, Anton here, and today I'm sharing with you my playbook, how I'm working with B2B leads, how you can find partners, how you can find clients, and so on. I'm founder in Balance and ConVC, and I am a B2B BGC creator. And today I'm sharing with you my strategy, my playbook, how I can find clients for me like a creator. I'm interested in B2B founders, startup founders, and first of all, you need to find the relevant data set. What I mean, you have ICP, ideal customer profile. For example, for myself, it's a B2B startup founders, early stage, who produced their SaaS 1, 2, 3, 5 months, and I reach out for them for working, make collaboration with them on my with my um, projects, with my social media like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and other things. And today I share with you how it works in real life. You need to find the relevant places where your potential clients are staying. For example, it's launching new next. It's a platform where founders share their project, like Product Hunter and so on. And what I'm doing here, I'm going here and try to find something interesting. For example, AAP published 2 days ago, and here is I have visit websites, and I'm going here inside this site, and I need to find the relevant contact when I can write and share my offer. Here is the social media. Basically, we can try to find it here. It's apps, and I prefer privacy policy. And in the 90%, yeah, we can find these contacts. Here is privacy at goyep.ai. It's not relevant for us, and we prefer other thing. Other thing, it's go into the LinkedIn and try to find this relevant in LinkedIn. Yep, like companies, yep, media, financial service, software developer, no. And copy and paste the website, go AI. More time I need to find the contact, and yeah, you need to do it better, smarter, and yeah, information. Okay, let's go back to this website. Maybe in the social media we can find something. Here is Instagram. Oh yeah, Linktree. Okay, let's try to go to the Linktree. Here is, and yep, yeah, email here, social at goyap.ai. We can find it and go to the next level. Next level, it's write emails for this company. I copy email address. Let's jump to my Thunderbird, and here is an example of my communication. Here is my code email for them with some like icebreakers. Here is I find where I can find contact, what I want. It's a user collaboration. Here is my channels, and here is my profile where I can share my pricing, all other things. And yeah, it's social launch next, social go up dot yep, and here is I need to write the subject. Yeah, it's here. Check it long. Yep, everything is okay. This email give for me around 40% for reply rate and around 25-30% to the contract. And I think it's brilliant because it's working very well. Yep, and cross and send it. Next example in the different sphere. It's the website. Its name's betalist.com, and here is the same. And I need to find something relevant for me. Lena chat for startup without support team. No, the professional website by chatting with the IO. It's interesting repaint. Yeah, it's Ben. Great. Inside. Okay, going to the website. Visit website and yeah, try to find information. No information here. Go to the privacy policy, like in the previous stage, and bottom of the page we can find support.repaint.com. And yeah, I wrote to this email before, and it's working very well. The next one, I share with you some projects here. You can find it, and let's go into the Upwork. On the Upwork, working the same process. Here is my query SaaS, and here is when we are watching all this information. Let's go to the page one. We can find something interesting. Finalist, SaaS platform, yep. I'm checking around, I think hundreds of projects. The main project you can find something interesting in the summary, but not here. Yeah, like this. We can find these products. It's a link for their products. Yeah, and next one you can apply this job offer, but it need your coins connections. We using other thing. We're going to this website. Yeah, and working like the previous. Yeah, we try to find the contact in this direction, mostly maybe in the bottom. Maybe it's a company with whole websites, developer for website, not our audience. Privacy policy, it's my favorite. It's not click. I can click it here. Yes, like the startup version. No clickable. uh, yeah, no more the new companies. I think you can understand what I mean. It's my playbook. First of all, try to find the places where your ICP ideal customer profile based. Next one, try to find the contacts like LinkedIn, emails, Telegram, messengers, and other things. Third, is to write the relevant message for them for collaboration with the public information. No hidden info like let's say okay, or let's say interested, and I share with you something more, and work with it like Playbook. In the next video, I share with you something more interesting, how you can automate it, how you can working with the MCP server, how you can work with the automation tool. Stay here, subscribe, and see you in the next video. My name is Anton Marketer, and see you next video. Bye bye.